Assam government has launched a new aerospace and defence manufacturing policy to boost defence manufacturing in northeast India. The Aeronautical Development Agency is advancing the design of critical systems for AMCA that includes center fuselage structural integration, a retractable air-to-air refueling probe support structure, and inserted fuel tank systems. Turkey has committed $3 billion for the development of the TF-35,000 engine for its current fifth-generation fighter jet program, while South Korea is investing $2.3 billion in an indigenous engine for its KF-21 program. Satellite images have revealed that North Korea's first locally developed airborne early warning aircraft is nearing completion. Dassault Aviation has announced that it has achieved a production level of 3 Rafale per month from the previous 2 per month. That translates to 36 Rafale aircraft per year. SSS Defence's P-72 Rifle has emerged as the lowest bidder in the UP Police's tender for the procurement of 405 rifles. Hyderabad-based AstraMicrowave has announced that it has the capacity to produce 36 Uttam radars per year. After Portugal's exit, Canadian Defence Minister has said that Canada is actively considering alternatives to the American F-35 stealth fighter, and will speak with competitive fighter jet manufacturers. India's Defence Secretary RK Singh has addressed speculation surrounding the potential sale of Lockheed Martin's F-35 stealth fighter jets to India, clarifying that the United States has not yet provided any concrete proposal on the matter, and due to the absence of a formal offer, no discussions have been planned or taken place between the two nations regarding the acquisition. He also said that any future developments would be transparent and subject to due process, and this statement appears to temper expectations of a forthcoming F-35 deal. Even after the Indian Air Force signaled a potential shift in its upcoming MRFA tender, indicating that it will now include fifth-generation fighter jets in the MRFA request for proposal that is scheduled for release later this year, Lockheed Martin officials have confirmed that the company is unlikely to offer its F-35A fifth-generation fighter jets in response to the upcoming request for proposal. Citing the small order size and stringent US restrictions on technology transfer, Lockheed has deemed it unfeasible to establish an F-35 production line in India. Instead, Lockheed plans to pitch its F-16 Block 70, despite the platform's earlier failure to clear technical rounds in the previous MMRCA tender. The Su-57 is now the only fifth-generation platform on offer under the MRFA, as off-the-shelf F-35 purchase with the lack of technology transfer directly conflicts with Make in India. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Apollo Microsystems have announced a collaborative effort to develop a mini-torpedo that is intended for deployment from unmanned aerial vehicles and is designed to neutralize small combat boats. The Mini-Torpedo will have a range of 7 kilometers and will carry 2 kilograms warhead, and it will be fully compatible with both the TAPAS and Drishti 10 UAV, as well as the Archer short-range unmanned aerial vehicle. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.